In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can sign up for MoonPay. And signing up for MoonPay is really simple and secure, and here's how you can do it correctly. So the first thing that you will have to do is, of course, ensure that you've already installed the MoonPay app, or if you're using your website, make sure that it's already set up and you're using the right version or the right website. And once you're here, what you will have to do is you will either look for the sign up button, or you will just have to click continue, which is right here, and just wait for it to load. And once you're here, you will just have to enter your email or continue with Apple or your Google, so it really depends on you. So if you enter your email, you will just have to create your strong password and accept the terms, and of course you will verify your email. And then after all that, you will just have to log into your account, and if prompted, you will also have to complete your identity verification, which is the ID and your selfie. And yeah, that's basically just it, and your account should now be ready for deposits and crypto purchases. And yeah, you can now deposit, buy, send crypto safely. And I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an amazing day.